Hey guys, we're here at AECU's open day. Just having a little bit of fun. Molly.
Shaquille O'Neal. Michael Jordan. Oh, snap.
Anyways, we came out here because there's a free barbecue going on. I saw on the door that they said the free barbecues. I was like, oh my gosh, it's calling out.
You get really good at basketball.
Some Smarties.
The silver lining thing.
Seriously, this is the good thing about open days. Is you come, get free lollipops, free Smartie, free pens.
Oh my God.
Everyone, we're making liquid.
What's orange?
What is it? Liquid
Nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen ice cream.
So you just add some chocolate.
So we've got a bit of milk in a cup. I added some choc chips and
How much of this?
orange extract. Just a bit.
And then just stir really fast with the other hand. You just keep stirring. Make sure you scrape down the sides as you're going along.
Molly got chocolate ice cream.
You want to have a go? Yeah.
Mine turned out really, really yummy. Choc chip, orange, vanilla. Molly's is chocolate. And hers is vanilla.
Alright.
So basically, yeah, you can do a whole bunch of stuff, like you can make any sort of, like try to understand.
Right.
Yeah.
It's really good ice cream. Let's ice cream.
So I made the orange choc chip vanilla flavor.
I made the chocolate chip flavor.
And I've got choc chip almond. And together, we're
The
chemistry
chemistry.
students.
But we're not enrolled yet.
I think she had too much nitrogen. The nitrogen's gonna gas out of your mully. So we're finally here from a massive day, Delzea. And let's address the elephant in the room, or the topic. I haven't been vlogging and it's been a while since you've seen my face, and it probably looks much more fuller than it did before the last time I vlogged. I went overseas for 1 month and I enjoyed myself. I went to visit my husband and was really hoping that I would come back with him, but we're still praying about that, still uplifting it to God and believing that He's in control. So hopefully you will see him before the end of the year here in Australia with me. Also, I put on a little bit of weight when I was overseas because I started eating meat again. It's really hard to diet overseas, honestly, especially in Samoa. Everything is like falai this and solololo. Everything they use is just, it's honestly not a place for vegetarians. So I caved in and I started eating meat again. And so now that I'm back in Australia though, I'm going to start dieting again and get back on it. I went last night to Kmart and I bought dumbbells, 5 kilo ones, and I don't know what the one that's got like the handle. Yeah, I bought that one to do squats, and I started this morning. I honestly feel like 50 kilos lighter, honestly, even though I haven't been eating that well today. I feel much more lighter, and it's so good because I definitely feel like I can do it without the gym membership. My gym membership ended and I just chose not to renew it because I just felt like it wasn't worth 50 bucks a fortnight. Well, close to 50 bucks a fortnight. Only for 2 classes. I was only going twice a week for an hour, and it just wasn't worth it to me. So I just bought some weights, and I'm just gonna go for walks around the block and just continue to do my weights, my squats, sit-ups with my weights. So I'm looking forward to that. Anyways, thanks for joining me, and it's good to be back.